So when you say cure, it's a very tricky term. So there are certain pathogens as causative organisms for diseases that we don't use the word cure for, because when you come in contact with them, they can actually remain in your body forever.
Wow.
The only thing is that they may not harm you. All right, they may not harm the host.
So now you're saying so many people are walking around now with herpes.
A lot of people are walking around with herpes.
Wow.
Just like a lot of guys are walking around with human papilloma virus, HPV, around their genitals. All right, and then it may not harm them, but then they cannot transmit that to a woman, and depending on the strain, HPV cannot go on and cause either a cervical cancer in that woman over time. All right. So I just use this example to tell you that there are a lot of these kinds of organisms that people carry, but you may not know. So it may show up at some point if someone has hepatitis B infection, but I won't want to go into some science about it. Some people just carry it around, it doesn't harm them. Other, it has the potential to destroy their liver. But if they pick it early and then a line of management is instituted, it will not destroy their liver anymore. However, they may never, not that they will never be able to, for instance, donate blood to anybody. Because at every point in time that you check their blood, you will find the hepatitis B there, even though it's not harmful to them anymore. So HSV, which is what we're talking about today, is one of such. So yes, you get, you contract the virus. Maybe it shows up initially with some of these acute, non-specific symptoms I talked about, and then eventually you may have a sore or some sores around either your mouth or your genitals, depending on where it is, and then you get cured. In fact, in many instances, you may not even need a medication for it. So your body may be able to fight it, and it may go. But for some others, they may need medication. But after that line of treatment or whatever, it becomes inactive, but it will always be present in your
Wow.
body.